This is a tricopter and it has three propellers, two ways rotating counterclockwise and one rotating clockwise. And these two propellers are fixed in the position, but this propeller can rotate left or right. Okay, so if I'm gonna enable this drone right now, so it has three basic movement. One is this pitch, this is roll, and this is yaw. And this flight control is will try to balance all of the movements. Okay, so let's see what happens. So I'm gonna arm this drone again. Okay, now the drone is armed. Let's give it a throttle. So you can see that this is the tail rotor, and as I'm rotating it clockwise or counterclockwise, it is trying to compensate by rotating the servo motor. So zoom to capture now. So this is trying to compensate this system, and if I want to pull this motor will rotate faster, and this both propellers will rotate slower. Will try to balance itself, and vice versa. I can give the roll. This is the roll. This is the pitch, and this is the yaw. Okay, done.